this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, as you see, I am outside. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm actually going to be showing you how I set my table. I normally don't show you how I actually, you never see me actually set it up. But I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. And I'm outside, so pretty much it's going to be like my end of the summer tablescape type of thing. I did a haul where I purchased these beautiful placemats, plates. I got these cups, and also I got this tray right here. And all I did was just fill this tray with some seashells. My family and I, we go to the beach a lot. We have not been to the beach since all of this has been going on. So what I do when I go to the beach, I go ahead and pick up my own seashells. So these seashells are the ones that I picked up on the beach. All right, and I'm going to be adding these beautiful candles over in here just to give me like a beach vibe type of feel. And you may hear my kids in the back, they're in the pool. So what I'm going to be doing is setting up on this table. And if you all remember, this patio table is the one that my husband made for me for Mother's Day, and I absolutely love it. So let's get started. I'm just taking this off of here, not taking it off. All right, so I'm just going to use this tray as my centerpiece. Put it directly in the middle. I'm just going to slide this over and just put the candles here. So now these are the plates. As you can see, these are beautiful. I got all of this from the Dollar Tree. All of this came from the Dollar Tree except the candles, which came from World Market, and the seashells, like I said, I got those when we went to the beach. All right, so now I'm going to be putting my beautiful Catch Me by the Sea little glasses, and I thought this went really well with these seashells. Everything is kind of, like I said, a beach or ocean vibe, so I'm going to be using these. So I like it. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be adding my my napkins on top. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be adding my beautiful yellow napkins that I have. And to me, they go very well with this. They kind of match the colors that I have, color scheme that I have going on here. And they also match my beautiful candles. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it. And I also have these napkin rings. Let me take them out to show you. And I use these often. I got these from Totally Dazzled. And as you see in the middle, that is a pearl. So, hey, you know, beach, pearls, seashells. to me they all go together. So I'm just gonna take my napkin. I'm just gonna place this on here just like so. Alright. Just like that, and I'm just gonna place it here in the middle of my plate. Okay. Alright, as you see, this is how it looks. Beautiful. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna take my other napkins and just place my napkin rings just like so. Just put them on my plate. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the others. Make sure you get it on the right side. And I always keep my napkin rings in a plastic bag. This is just help me keep up with my things. And I have a box that I put all my stuff in. Alright, so that's what we decided to do, come outside and let the kids enjoy the pool. And I'm doing the tablescape decorations and just enjoying outside before the summer comes to an end. So today is the first day of August. So we're just going to enjoy this day. And I just wanted to bring you this tablescape just so you can see how I normally do my tablescapes. Alright. Alright, so pretty much I am completely done. All I need to do is actually add utensils, but pretty much everything is done. As you see, I have my napkins, my yellow napkins, my napkin ring, and this is the beautiful plate that I have, as well as the placemats. And you know I normally don't use placemats, but I'm going to start using them because this is beautiful. I love it. Alright. And I also have my beautiful lobster cup that says "Catch Me by the Sea." These were super cute. Alright. In the middle, I use my seashells just that I got from the beach. When my family and I would go to Florida and go to the beach. And this is a beautiful one here that I got, and I just added all of them in here with my beautiful yellow candles. Alright. So I just want to say thank you all so very much for watching. I hope that you all have a great and blessed and wonderful Sunday. Alright. And now I'm about to go and have fun with my family. I hope that you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decor and designs. You will see some home decor. You will see balloon designs, and also, like I just showed you here, tablescapes. Alright? So I hope that you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to spend time with your family. Enjoy your life. And I will see y'all in my next video.